Hello everyone. I think you enjoyed all your online classes yesterday. Now in English, we'll start with the third paragraph. I'm reading it. Patrick couldn't believe how lucky he was. Here was the answer to all of his problems. So he said, "Only if you do all my homework till the end of the semester." This line is said by Patrick to the little elf. That's 35 days, means the semester is of 35 days. If you do a good enough job, I could even get A's. Now, what is the meaning? Here, it was difficult for Patrick to accept that he was so fortunate to get an answer or solution to all his difficulties through his tiny men. Why he was thinking like that he found the solution to all his difficulties or problems? Just because he was not interested to doing his homework, and he thought that he will give all his homework to the little tiniest man. So he asked him if he could do his homework till the end of the semester. This was the we can say this is the condition of Patrick in front of little or tiny size of man, that is a period of 35 days to help him score A grades. He's talking about A grades. Patrick was thinking that with elf's help he can improve his grades. He just want to improve his grades one side, and another side he don't want to do his homework. Understood? Now the next paragraph. The little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in the hamper. Now what is the meaning of hamper here? A basket with a lid. And dishcloth, you know it very well. And about the wrinkled face, just whenever we don't like anything like doing, so we wrinkled our face so many times. So this was happened with the little elf also. What happened? Again, I'm reading it. The little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in the hamper. He kicked his legs and doubled his fist, and he grimaced and scowled and pursed his lips. Means these are the gestures by the little elf. These gestures shows that he is not willing to do all his homework, but there was no other way. Oh, am I cursed? Now that is a line said by the little elf. Am I cursed? But I will do it. And at last he decided to do Patrick's homework just because he don't want to go back to that cat. It means after hearing this, the little man's face gave a look of cloth lying in the basket used for washing dishes. He showed his disapproval for the work by kicking legs, doubling his fist, and making unhappy faces. These are the gestures by the little elf. Just we read here. He asked if he was that unfortunate to do that task, but he promised to do the work. Understood? Now the next paragraph. And true to his word, that little elf began to do Patrick's homework. Except there was one glitch. What is glitch here? The meaning of glitch is a fault in the machine. There was a glitch. The elf didn't always know what to do and he needed help. Means just because he's an elf, so he don't know what to do always, he need help from Patrick. So what he says, help me, he would say. And Patrick would have to help in whatever way. Just because Patrick also don't have any choice, another choice, he has to help only. I don't know this word. That is the statement by elf. I don't know this word. The elf squeaked, means yelled, while reading Patrick's homework. Get me a dictionary. He was asking for a dictionary also. No. What's even better? Look up the word and sound it out by each letter. And that elf even don't know how to read the dictionary. So he told Patrick to read the dictionary for him just because he want to complete his homework. What do you understand? Like, and keeping his word true means the word of elf. The elf means the supernatural creature started doing his homework, but sometimes he needed help as he didn't know all things. Then Patrick had to help him. Sometimes while reading Patrick's homework, the elf would say, crying aloud, that he doesn't know the meaning of that word, so give him a dictionary or something that can help him to identify the sound of each letter as well as word. Means the elf is ready to do the homework, but he don't know about anything about the English, about the words, about the dictionary, so always he require Patrick's help. Okay, so this is all for today. Up to fifth paragraph we have completed. Now check your today's homework and I'll give you the answers of yesterday's. Thank you.